Gold yesterday created a bullish candle, and we can see after the price reached the first support level 2653.45 with this strong bearish candle, the price is bouncing back up, and we can see yesterday created a bullish candle where I have mentioned yesterday that it is very important that the price have found its way outside of this 2676.12 or below 2662.90. Yesterday I have shared with the traders this bearish breakout that has been formed with this bearish engulfing candle suggesting further decline in value reaching the target. This was shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, and they have received information that the price could reach, and we can see the price has done that, just reaching the first support level below that, which was 2662.90. Now, regarding the daily analysis, we can see that the price could not manage to make a bearish breakout, suggesting further decline in value, which was a very important support level. But the price has found enough strength from the buyers here, which is a demand zone, and the price has gone upside, where the price formed this bullish breakout above this small resistance level and continued to rise in value all the way to the next very important resistance level, which was 2676.12. Here, the price could not manage to form a valid bullish breakout. This was a bullish breakout indicating further rise in value, but this was invalidated with the next bearish engulfing candle. Similar scenario like this. And with this bearish engulfing candle, the price continued to lose its value, reaching the first support level at 2669.50. Now we can see the price is trying to make a bullish breakout above 2676.12. We can see that, and we can see on the daily time frame it is just a very important small resistance level that will open the space for the price to reach the next resistance level, which will be around here, which will be 2684, and the next one will be around here, 2693. Now if we go to the lower time frame, we can see that 2683 and 2690 are very important resistance levels, and those are the daily targets for now. Now if the daily, we can see that if the price reaches the area here as a resistance level, this would be a small stop before reaching the next one, which will be 2713.65, a very important daily resistance level. We can see that here if the price goes above these two levels, it will continue to rise in value all the way back up. Now what is more important is that we can see that we currently have a small uptrend channel here forming on the chart, which will be also which is also suggesting further rise in value. Now first of all, we need to see on this small time frame, we need to see a bullish breakout, and that means the bullish breakout going above this 2676.12, which is also a very important resistance level I have mentioned yesterday, so it is also important for today. Now if you would like also to receive a notification like yesterday when this bearish breakout has been formed with the target, feel free to check the premium analysis where I share these informations with the traders all day, and also on other symbols that are inside the premium analysis. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.